the dollar in jeopardy? Unpacking BRICS' bold financial move. In a world where the US dollar has long reigned supreme, recent developments have cast doubt on its unchallenged dominance. The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, have taken a monumental step by announcing a financial system of their own, poised to rival the global SWIFT network. This audacious move has sent ripples through global financial markets, raising a pressing question: is the era of the dollar's supremacy coming to an end? To unravel this, let's dive into the global financial landscape and the motivations driving BRICS' groundbreaking initiative. For decades, the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, has been the backbone of international finance. It enables secure and efficient transactions between banks across the globe, with the US dollar deeply embedded within this system, ensuring its unrivaled dominance. However, this dollar-centric order is increasingly seen as a straitjacket by the BRICS nations, who view it as a tool of economic coercion that restricts their financial autonomy and exposes them to unnecessary risks. The creation of a BRICS-led financial system directly challenges this status quo. By building an alternative platform for cross-border transactions, BRICS aims to lessen its dependence on the dollar. But why now? First, these nations are keen on insulating themselves from the pitfalls of dollar dominance. The United States has wielded financial sanctions as a geopolitical weapon, often targeting BRICS members. Second, the BRICS countries are eager to assert their influence on the world stage. Establishing their own financial system is a way to challenge Western-dominated institutions and reshape global governance in their favor. But dismantling the dollar's dominance is easier said than done. The greenback's stronghold is built on decades of trust, unparalleled liquidity, and a vast network of financial institutions. Creating a rival system that matches this infrastructure is no small feat. Moreover, the success of the BRICS initiative hinges on whether other nations will embrace this new system. While some may be tempted to reduce their exposure to the dollar, others might hesitate to adopt a system that is still in its infancy. The road ahead is complicated. The BRICS nations are a diverse group, with varying economic strengths, political systems, and foreign policy goals. Coordinating their efforts to build a cohesive financial system will require not just diplomacy, but significant compromise. Additionally, the global economy is intricately linked, and a hasty shift away from the dollar could lead to instability. Although the BRICS move is a bold one, it is premature to declare the end of the dollar's dominance. The shift to a multipolar financial system will likely be a slow and complex process. The resilience of the dollar, combined with the challenges BRICS faces, suggests that the greenback will continue to play a central role in global finance for years to come. However, the significance of the BRICS initiative cannot be overstated. It highlights a growing discontent with the current financial order and underscores the determination of emerging economies to carve out their own path. As the BRICS system takes shape, its impact on global trade, investment, and currency markets will be crucial to monitor. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era in financial competition, one that could have profound implications worldwide. In the end, the future of the dollar is tied to a complex web of factors, including the success of the BRICS system, geopolitical dynamics, and the broader health of the global economy. While the dollar's dominance may gradually wane, it is unlikely to vanish entirely. Instead, we may be heading towards a more balanced financial system where the dollar shares its influence with other currencies. BRICS' bold strategy has sparked a global conversation about the future of money. As this narrative unfolds, staying informed will be key to understanding the potential impacts on individuals, businesses, and governments around the globe. Like and subscribe.